Why does anatomy matter when creating realistic characters and animations? It might seem like an odd question, but the truth is, an understanding of anatomy can be an artist's secret weapon, enhancing their ability to create lifelike and believable creations. Consider the case of a renowned animator who was struggling to bring a character to life. The character was a humanoid, but something about its movements felt off, unnatural. The animator had a strong grasp of animation techniques, but there was a missing link. That's when he decided to dive into the world of anatomy. He studied how the human body moves, how muscles contract and release, how the skeleton supports and enables motion. He learned about the proportions of the body, the subtleties of facial expressions, and the intricate dance of coordination that makes up every human movement. Armed with this knowledge, he returned to his animation. The difference was astounding. The character moved with a newfound fluidity and realism. It no longer seemed like a collection of pixels on a screen, but a living, breathing entity. The animator's understanding of anatomy had breathed life into his creation. This is the power of understanding anatomy in the realm of art and animation. It allows artists to create characters and animations that are not just visually appealing, but also grounded in reality. This realism, in turn, allows the audience to connect with the characters on a deeper level, making the whole experience more immersive and engaging. Understanding anatomy helps artists grasp the proportions of the body, the expressiveness of the face, and the mechanics of movement. It's an essential tool for anyone looking to create lifelike and emotive characters and animations. Moreover, understanding anatomy isn't just about making characters move realistically. It also allows animators to create settings that complement the characters, adding another layer of believability to their creations. A character moving through an environment that mirrors the real world will always be more engaging than one moving through a randomly designed space. In summary, understanding anatomy is a game changer for artists and animators. It allows them to create characters and animations that are realistic, emotive, and engaging. It gives them the tools to create worlds that are believable and immersive. And most importantly, it allows them to communicate and connect with their audience in a way that's truly profound.